Welcome to Canvas Tutorials with Evan. Today we're going to look at how do you switch from the old content editor inside of a Canvas post or page or assignment and turn on the new rich content editor. So here we go. You see here, this is my sandbox course, and I have just a normal assignment pulled up here. And you notice that the toolbar has all the things that I need. And it's perfectly fine. But this is actually the old version of the rich content editor. And so we want to turn on the new one. I'll switch over to another course that I've already done, and you can see the difference here. Is you see that the icons have been laid out differently. As I shrink down the screen, some of the window, some of the options go into a more section here, and it continues to do that depending on how big it is. As well as some other design features. This is a much better editor. It's more clean. And so how do you go about actually turning that on if your Canvas course isn't already set up that way? So I'm going to go back to this course right here and move my face there. And so what we want to do is we want to come down here to settings. Okay, so I'm going to click on settings. And then after that, we want to come up here to feature options. Okay, so we have these tabs at the top, and we're going to click on feature options. Now here's a whole list of feature options that I encourage you to play around with and see what works for you, and I'll do a video about what each one of these does. But for now, if we want to turn on the new rich content editor, we want to come down here to where it says Rce Enhancements. And it says that it allows switching to the enhanced rich content editor, and I'm going to go ahead and click that button, and then I'm also going to do this while I'm here, is I'm going to put Rce Auto Save. What that does is it saves as I'm working, as most of us have gotten used to with Google Docs or other tools, Microsoft Word, that it saves as you go, that you don't lose it. And so I'm going to go ahead and click that on too while I'm here. And then come back out here to Course Details, scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to update Course Details. Now, when I go back to my home and go to one of those posts that I was just on, hit edit, notice that I now have that new rich content editor. Now on another video, I'll go ahead and explore what each of these options are and what you can do with the different parts of the rich content editor, as well as go over the different parts of an assignment. But for now, we have looked at how to turn on the new rich content editor so that you can have the most up-to-date design that Canvas has to offer. Hope this content is helpful, and have a great day.